Hi guys, with another video. Today we're gonna experience how you can have the free energy generator using the speaker magnet. These are the speaker magnet as you see. I will show you how you can have the electrics. This is the electric science free energy generating using the speaker magnet. So what you need in this project, the lamp, this is the one, and you need soldering paste, solder, the file, and one of this, the wood that you need. Of course you need copper, and I already did, but you need copper, this size of copper, a little longer, copper wire. What do you do? Also you need this for we can put the lamp inside and we can test it, is it gonna work or not. So what you do first, you get the wire, copper wire, and bend on this wood. It's like the bending all over, and leave it maybe 1.5 inch this side, 1.5 inch this side, and after that you need this tool too, soldering iron. Let it get hot while I explain you guys. So what are you gonna do? Right there, as you see right here, we're gonna solder the right here first one side and after the another side. What we do first, before we clean this all around. We're gonna clean the other one also all around. We're gonna clean it. Just what you do, just file it, clean it, the all around. All around, like that. That's it. That's it. This is done. So what you do? Little dip in the soldering paste like this side and also this, and get the soldering iron and dip also the inside of the soldering. Ew. Okay. Smells bad anyway. So get little bit of the solder. Right there. Okay. Now go ahead and solder here, right here. All right. This side, I think it's done. Bring the other side. The bend is hot. Be careful, it's hot. Okay, let's bend this side too, and get little bit more solder, and that's it. And go ahead and solder here. Sorry. All right. So hot. Oh. Okay, try again. Wow. Be careful, when you hold it, it's get hot. Copper is get hot so quickly, and you have to finish very quick. I didn't finish very quick, and my hand got burned. So let's straight out this on top of the magnet, as you see, like this. What else? Now we're gonna bring this. This is the one that we will use. Okay. We will solder each one of them. One of them here, one of them, the other one here. Alright, guys. Right here. Of course, there is a solder on top of this. You don't need that. Okay. I think it's. I think little bit. I need a little bit more. So sorry, guys. The other one I did without recording, but I will do the. No, this is by recording. Wow. Okay. That got solder too, as you see. Now it's time to check it out. So what you do? Let me bring a little bit far. As you see, this stays like this. Okay, what you do? Get this. Put the light. Okay, here's the light. And let's go. Bring the another magnet. That's another magnet. It's supposed to be on top of the copper. And let's go ahead and put the copper right there. Let's see. And put on top of the copper. Do you see any lights? No. How about this way? Let's put on top of that. Nothing. And just move around. Nothing. Nothing and nothing. As you see. Then which means electrical science free energy generator using the speaker magnet is not working. Once again, guys, if you try to find the free energy through the magnet, so people does on YouTube channel, YouTuber, they showing you to do this, and you will get the free energy using the speaker magnet. As I show you guys, as this time, look, I'm gonna try again. I'm pushing, putting, nothing at all. These are the strong magnet. Nothing works. So, guys, there is no such a things. Electrical science free energy generating using the speaker magnet, it's not working. So I tested, it's not working. Alright, guys, thank you for watching, and see you soon with another video. Bye bye.